Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Today just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Got some plants from Palm Street, from June's Cactus out of San Jose. But I feel like I got some really cool ones and I got one that I always wanted. So let's open them up. All right, see what we got here. Oh, that is amazing looking. So this is Mammillaria Bocasana Fred Crested. Yeah, that's just crazy looking. That is awesome. Always wanted one of these. That's a great start. What we have here. Nice. Oh, that's a good size. Mammillaria Humboldtii. Super cool. Pretty. Can't get over that red. Just for a better look. Sheesh. Two down. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. The Myriostigma Pico. It's a cool plant. Oh wow. Got a little bit of size to him, huh? There you go. Myriostigma onzuka. Egg. Sweet. Next one here. Oh, nice. This is Gymnocalycium batteri. Perfect. Three left. All right. This is Mammillaria CV Brew. Looks like it's rooted there. Pretty. All right. This one's going to be a smaller onzuka. Myriostigma. Pretty. I didn't have any onzukas, so I was happy to get them. And then this, the last one here. Uh, there we go. Very nice. This is Mammillaria crucigera. Always wanted one of these. Smaller, they're hard to get. I tried to buy one on Mesa. Mesa Garden had a plant sale, and that one sold out really quick for like $75. So super cool Mammillaria crucigera. But feel like I got some great plants. I'm definitely going to get these potted up, and then we'll show you what they look like. But really excited. All right, got everything potted up here. This is going to be the Mammillaria crucigera. It's in a 2-inch pot there. These are 2.5-inch pots with the Gymnocalycium batteri, Mammillaria camptotricha, CV brew, Astrophytum myriostigma Kiko nudum, Astrophytum onzuka, myriostigma onzuka. This one's going to be Mammillaria humboldtii. Great, these are 4-inch pots. That is the Mammillaria Bocasana Fred. So super cool with the crest parts as well. And then a larger Astrophytum myriostigma onzuka. But have these all potted up now, thanks to the shopping from Palm Street and June's Cactus, and then they will make their way out here into the greenhouse. All right, we will see you on the next video. Thank you again, everyone.